Hi, my name is Kevin with A1 Floors. We're here today visiting with a customer. We recently had the privilege of redoing some of their flooring. We started here with the stairs, which was carpeted stairs, and we built a brand new staircase for them. We have stained treads, painted rises, the rails, the posts. We continued upstairs, where they put brand new hardwood flooring in their hall. Going to their second floor, we added new stairs and a landing there as well. And then finally, new hardwood flooring in one of the bedrooms. So again, my name's Kevin with A1 Floors. We're visiting today with Vita of Holly Springs. And thank you so much, Vita, for allowing us the opportunity to earn your valuable business. And if you take a moment or two and just give an overview of your experience with us, that'd be great.
Okay, sure. Well, hello. My name is Vita, and welcome to our home. And as you can see, our floors look fantastic. We had a Barber carpet on the stairs and in the hallway. And it was very, very hard to keep clean. You know, we had it professionally cleaned several times. We still wasn't happy with it. So we called Kevin from A1 Floors, and he came right away. He gave us an estimate, and we were very happy, you know, with the estimate. And they came and did all the work. In 2-3 days, everything was done. And they did a beautiful job. So, you know, if you're thinking of, you know, considering redoing your floors, just give A1 Floors a call, and I'm sure that you'll be very happy and definitely won't be disappointed, that's for sure.
Well, thank you so much, Vita. And we were privileged to earn your valuable business, and it was a great experience, and you and your husband, Rudy, were wonderful to work for. We hope you'll have the opportunity to refer us in the future or use us again in the future. And again, we appreciate and value your business. Thank you.
Absolutely.